Hi everyone, it's Helen Hotai here, founder of Form Help. If you're preparing to leave Australia and you're not sure where to start, if you follow the steps from the Department of Home Affairs website, you shouldn't go wrong. Okay, let's get into it. Preparing to leave Australia, follow the steps below when you are preparing to leave Australia. Check Smartraveller advice. Check the current travel, visa and COVID-19 advice for the country you want to travel to using Smartraveller. Check if you can travel without an exemption. From the 1st of November 2021, fully vaccinated Australian citizens and permanent residents can leave Australia without seeking a travel exemption. Children under 12 and those who cannot be vaccinated for medical reasons will also be able to depart Australia to travel overseas without an exemption. Check if you can access reduced quarantine requirements when you return to Australia. If you are a fully vaccinated Australian citizen or permanent resident, you may be eligible for reduced quarantine requirements when you return to Australia. However, this can vary depending on the quarantine arrangements in the state or territory you are returning to. For more information about quarantine requirements, check with the relevant state or territory health department. Request your international COVID-19 vaccination certificate using the Express Plus Medicare app or your Medicare online account through MyGov. Keep a hard copy or an electronic copy of your international COVID-19 vaccination certificate so you can show it as evidence of your vaccination during your travels. Airlines will check this when you book your tickets and check into your flights. Find out more about the International COVID-19 Vaccination Certificate. Departing Australia. Present your International COVID-19 Vaccination Certificate to airline staff when you check in for your flight. While you are overseas, stay informed about the country you are visiting in case things change. For country-specific travel advice, see Smartraveller and subscribe for updates.